everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. So on today's video we are doing a unboxing of my fall decor. I am not yet decorating for fall, not yet. I am dying here. I'm dying for it, but first I want to go through everything I do currently have. I want to see and refresh my memory on all the decor that I got last year for fall. That way, you know, if I feel like I want to buy a little something here and there, I don't buy the same things. So I'm going to turn you guys around and we're going to go through my box together to see what all I do have. So first off, I have this one, which I am so glad that I still have it because I absolutely love what it says. And I did get this one last year from Kirkland's, and I think I still have the price. Yeah, it was $27.99, but I absolutely love that. And then I did find some of the flower decor, which I am so excited that I did because I don't want to buy no more flowers. So I have this one, and I got that one last year too from Hobby Lobby. And then I have all these, which I don't remember where I actually got these from. I really don't remember, but I mean, if anything, maybe Michael's. And then I have this one. This one's so pretty. I really like how it has the glitter on it. And I do want to say that I got this one from Hobby Lobby. So I have that. And then I have this little small wreath. I got this one as well from Hobby Lobby last year. And then this, let me see if they still work. Oh, they do. So what I did is I just like bought some of these lights and I wrapped it around the wreath. That way whenever I had the wreath, you know, wherever I had it, it basically gave it some light and it looked a little bit brighter, and I'm so glad they still work. Okay, so we have that. Now let's move on to the box. Let's see. Okay, good. So I have another one of these. So that makes 2 of these. And then I have some of these. And then I think I actually got this one last year too from Kirkland's. And then I have some other little flowers. Let's see how many pumpkins I come up with. I got this gnome last year too from Hobby Lobby. This one's from Hobby Lobby too. A lot of little pumpkins, but so then I'm thinking I'm probably gonna have to get some bigger pumpkins. I want to say I got this one from Hobby Lobby too, if not Kirkland's, but I'm not sure. These are actually a little set, and let me see if I can, there it is. So this is actually a set, and this is from Kirkland's, and I do know that they have it this year too, because whenever I went, that I did my Kirkland's video. So if you haven't seen that video, I will link it down below. but I did see them there, so they do have these this year too. And then I have this one, and I know I bought this one from Home Goods, and it turns on too, so it's super cute. Okay, so more little pumpkins. This Hello Fall sign. I got this one from Hobby Lobby. And oh, I have a little skeleton. Well, this one should be with Halloween, not fall. And then I still have this one too, and I got this one as well from Kirkland's last year. I do believe I got this one from Marshall's, and this one lights up too. So, yep. Well, I'm actually pretty glad that the battery on these are still working. I got this one from At Home last year, and then I usually always, well not always, well since last year, I decorate my tier tray with this one on there, and I always get questions about it. And I did purchase this one from Party City last year, so I'm not sure if they'll have them this year, but that's where I purchased it from. And then more little pumpkins. This one's from Hobby Lobby, and so that goes with this one, and then this one, and then let's see, I think this one's from Hobby Lobby too. But since last year I was kind of going for like a glam like a glam farmhouse decor. I had gotten this one, but I don't think I'm actually gonna use this one this year, because I don't know, it's just not gonna go with my decor, because I am going more with like the traditional colors, like, you know, the what you basically see here, all the orange and stuff like that. And I got this one. See, this one's more like on the glam side too. And I got this one from Marshall's. And let's see, this little one is so cute. More flowers, and Mary stuff, and then see, I have another trick or treat one. That one's supposed to be with my Halloween decor. Don't know what it's doing over here, but and then this little candle holder. This one's from Hobby Lobby, and I know they have some this year too. And then this little tray. This one is from, I want to say Marshall's. Yeah, I think I got it from Marshall's last year. More little pumpkins. This one's from Hobby Lobby. And this one's from Hobby Lobby. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I really thought I had more. And then this little pumpkin kind of looks like a little cutting board. I know I got this one, I want to say I got it last year from the Target dollar spot. I think that's where I got it. Yeah, and I think it was like $5. Okay, so that is about everything I do have. I thought I had some more, but I guess not. And then I did find some of my fall pillows that I still have. So I still have that one. And then, oh yeah, and I think I got that one from, I think I got it from Hobby Lobby. I want to say I did. And then this one. And I got this one from Home Goods. And then I got this big old pumpkin last year from Hobby Lobby. So that is about the only big pumpkin that I have. And yeah, that's not gonna work. So I am probably gonna have to go out and shop for a little bit more stuff, but I'm gonna work with what I have right now. Like I said, I'm not gonna start decorating just yet, but I just wanted to see what everything I did have. And then I wanted to show y'all this little gnome that I got. Isn't he so cute? I found him a few days ago at my local Marshalls, and he was only $5.99, and I did not want to leave him for nothing. I'm like, I know I'm not gonna start decorating for fall, but I just didn't want to leave him because I knew if I left him, I was not gonna find him again. So yes, guys, that is what I have. So now I'm just gonna patiently wait to decorate. I'll probably go out next week, if anything, to go get a little bit more stuff. I already have so many ideas on how I want to do everything, but it's just a matter of me getting to it. So, but like I said, make sure that you guys are subscribed and that you do turn on your post notifications. That way you can get notified every time that I do upload a new video, because all these decor videos are coming your way. Trust me, they're coming your way. So I guess I'm just gonna end it here. That's pretty much everything that I do have fall related. I'll just see you guys on the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.